Welcome to Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh, wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. This is lemon tree here. This is mango tree. Now I am walking in Bangladeshi village road here. You can see the Bangladesh, wonderful Bangladesh, beautiful Bangladesh. The sky is blue. The field is green, so beautiful. Now I am showing you this is Bangladeshi culture, Bangladeshi village system. Here the trees, a lot of trees, the banana tree and the lemon tree here. This is Bangladeshi road. And here the highway road. Now I am walking Bangladeshi village road. Please subscribe Step View blog and follow Facebook Papa Streets 4K YouTube channel. And here this is Step View blog channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment in your comment section here. And Step View blog channel, this is Step View blog in Bangladeshi channel. You can subscribe this channel for more videos. Bangladeshi field, here the grass, you can see the grass here. I am poor man, my shoe is so dirty. Here vegetable garden. Look, vegetable garden. Tomato tree, tomato garden here. Fishermen fishing here by the net. You can see the net. And you can see the car, the motorcycle running towards. This is highway road, Sylhet Biani Bazar highway road here. This is a canal. So beautiful Bangladesh, wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. This is our homeland, our motherland. I love my country so much. Hello my dear friends, please subscribe this channel for more walking video in village of Bangladesh. Here poor people treasure. Bangladesh is our homeland. This is grass. You can see here, this is grass. I am walking in grass. And this is our home. So beautiful Bangladesh landscape. Now I am showing you our home. Our home is not so beautiful because we are poor men. We have not enough money for destruction, for recondition, for reconstruction our home, beautiful home. If you subscribe, if you share, if you like this video, I have lot of money from YouTube and I built my home. Okay, my friend, this is our home here. This is Bangladeshi village home. This is Bangladeshi poor people village home. Please watch this video till the end. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe Step View blog for more videos. Hen. Leaf. This is mango leaf. This is a pond. You can see in front of camera. Here underwater, a lot of fishes. Please subscribe Step View blog for more walking tour video in Bangladeshi village. Oh, wonderful scenery here. I am walking and showing you the natural beauty of Bangladesh. Please watch this video till the end. 10 minutes video. Please watch this video till the end. This is pineapple tree. Pineapple tree here. You can see this is pineapple tree. This is pineapple tree. Let's see the pineapple on the tree. Here the pineapple. This is pineapple. Small pineapple on the tree. This is a small coconut tree. Here coconut tree. Small coconut tree. This is lemon tree. Lemon tree leaf here. You can see the lemon tree leaf. How beautiful the leaf is. Lemon tree leaf. This is mango tree leaf. Here mango tree. Mango tree. Mango tree leaf. Wow, the sky is blue. The field and the soil and the grass is green. Green, beautiful Bangladesh. Please like this video, comment on comment section and subscribe Step View blog for more walking tour in Bangladesh videos. This is a home, poor people home of Bangladesh. This is a cinematic view on DJI use my Action 4 camera and DJI Mic 3 microphone, and this is Bangladesh. This is bamboo tree. The natural beauty of Bangladesh is so beautiful and we love our country so much. This is the bamboo tree and the highway road here. You can see the highway road here. Welcome to Bangladesh and welcome to my country. This is Bangladesh highway road. Please subscribe Step View Blog YouTube channel for more walking video from Bangladesh. Wind blows very fast. This is my home. I am poor. I have not enough money for building new building. For rest, live and eating. Good product. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Please Step B blog, subscribe, like, comment, share. This is a tap. I am washing my foot.